Okay, we're going to do a little bit of demonstration here with the UBio-X Pro2. You're going to find the options for the Pro2 facial and the X-Face facial are very similar. So first of all, let's go over the basic. I'll show you the camera here, but we're not going to demonstrate that in the first demo. We'll turn that on later. But first, Wilson's going to register his face in the device and show you how that's done. Add the user, select any ID, that's not important right now. And select the face, it's a very basic operation. Just make sure the face is within the certain area outlined for the optimal face recognition. And simply it's going to capture the picture, save it. Authentication type is face only right now, that's the only we're concerned with. Okay, we have the mask option enabled. For now, okay, very simply, just to disable the mask option, go into the option system area, face, mask detection, none. Turn that off, and we're going to start from the very beginning here and just do some basic facial recognition. Success. Okay, I want you to step back a bit. We have the option for face size. Now, if you notice, there is no triangle, there is no rectangle around his face. And as Wilson is going to move forward a bit, he's about 1.5 meters away. Okay, you're going to see the square appear around his face, the green square. That's indicating that it's capturing its face. It's within the detected range. Now move back out again. You're going to see that square has disappeared. Okay, now move forward through the walk-through style authentication. One more time. Okay, there you go. Now go inside the option menu. And we're going to change the distance by controlling the face size. So the distance is controlled by the face size. Right now it's set at 150. This is, as I know, about 1 meter distance. So we're going to set it up to 350 now. 350 is actually almost in front of the device itself. We'll show you the extremes. So Wilson has moved a lot closer this time. Now his face is within, say, 100 to 200 centimeters in front of the device. It's detecting him. So this is with the face size, which is set at, what was it again, Wilson? We set it at
350.
350, okay. So the higher the number, the closer you have to be to the device to detect you. So right now we set to 350. The default value is 150, which is just over 1 meter within the 1 meter. So that's what the face size option does.